Does your shift indicator not work? We're going to take care of that this time on Burnouts and Rotor Blades.
Welcome to the Burnouts and Rotor Blades YouTube channel. Let's go do something awesome.
So I ordered this made in Taiwan replacement unit to replace the broken one that's in our Squarebody here. There's two options. You can either choose the reverse neutral drive 2.1 or the one that has an additional mark, which is the overdrive transmission. And I think the only overdrive transmissions came with a 700R4 in the later years of the Squarebody, so make sure you check yours before you order one. The installation of this thing is very simple. All you have to do is remove the entire dash here. The downside to our setup right here is that the radio is in the way whenever we go to pull the dash back, so we're going to have to remove the radio on this unit along with that radio cage that goes in there. You may not have to deal with that on yours, and honestly one way to avoid that is if you're going to replace the radio, if you just get a Bluetooth radio like I did whenever I did the radio install in my Vega, link will be right up there, then it's a lot smaller of a unit because that CD player is not there, and it's also a lot less expensive. Mine was about 30 bucks. Who has CDs anyways, right? So let's go ahead and get this gauge bezel off. We'll start off by removing this radio surround, and we'll stick these two special clips in here. You can buy universal versions of these, but this right here is just for this radio. Come on, baby. And we'll disconnect this battery, or this wiring. We're gonna bend up all these little clips right here, of which there are many. Now we can take this guy out here. First thing, go ahead and pull this back. I do a little rotate, and then it comes right out. Now if you look here, you'll see that my cable has come off. This ear is actually broken off right here, and the previous owner has, well, for some reason or another, put this piece of zip, or of oh, that's super fragile. The previous owner did what I just did there, and broke that off, and then crimp connected a piece of whatever that is on top of it. A 7mm socket, we'll get these guys out. We'll take the new one, slide it in. You gotta be super gentle with these things. They will break very, very easily. And this cable just pulls over and it rotates off of this right here. So I'll move you guys over to the other side, and then we'll see how we rig up the cable. So here's our old one. We can go ahead and remove that. And with the shifter and park, we're going to go ahead and string this through this right here, and then we're going to pull it. We're going to pull this up to park. And clip it right there like that. Now we'll check the adjustment. Now with the emergency brake on, we'll go ahead and put our key in the ignition, turn it so that we can grab our shifter and count the clicks. Oops. So reverse looks a little bit to the right, so adjust that by sliding this up. Alright, so we got drive, neutral, reverse, park, 2, 1, and that's it. Put the rest of the dash together in reverse order, and that's it for this video. If you enjoyed the content, please like, subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you next time.